This ABC15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.
Hi there, I'm Jamie Warren with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. New details this morning in the turmoil seen in the banking industry. ABC News obtaining new audio overnight of Silicon Valley Bank's now former CEO Greg Becker feeling optimistic about the business's outlook just days before the bank collapsed.
If you think about the Fed, what they want to do is making sure they're kind of managing kind of all financial risk, right? And so much of that risk has gone outside of the banking sector.
According to government filings, Becker sold more than $3.6 million in the bank's stock late last month. The Justice Department and the FBI are now investigating the bank's collapse, focusing on possible insider trading. A new study now shows that it costs about $11,000 a year to own and operate a new car. That's up 11% from 2021. Those costs are adding up for a lot of people. The number of Americans behind on car loan payments are now at the highest rate in a decade. Experts say that the most important thing to do if you're falling behind is take a closer look at your budget and prioritize payments on your loans with the highest interest rates.
Fortunately, we've seen this before, and auto payments, specifically delinquent auto payments, are usually one of the first shoes to drop. Update, or please, if you don't have a household budget, now is the time to put one into place.
A big part of the increase in prices, car parts are getting more expensive. ABC News reports that repair prices are 23% higher compared to 2021. Well, it was a surprise of a lifetime for 13-year-old Isabella McCune going to last night's Taylor Swift concert after the singer made good on a promise made 5 years ago. Eleni Dow has this story.
Isabella, I hope you feel better soon, and I'm so honored you've been listening to my music. You're so awesome, and I can't wait to have you at a show. Stay strong, gorgeous. Love, Taylor.
These are the words Taylor Swift wrote to then 8-year-old Isabella McCune.
5 years ago, I was in an accident, and I ended up having to stay in the hospital for 9 months with burns over 65% of my body.
McCune couldn't go to Swift's Reputation tour when it came through in 2018, but the pop star did visit her 5 years ago at the hospital. A special visit since Swift helped the young girl go through one of the most difficult times of her life.
Her music helped me a lot while I was in the hospital.
Though she couldn't go to her concert then, 5 years later, Swift is back on tour for the first time and fulfilled her promise to Isabella.
On behalf of Taylor Swift,
with the help of Live 101.5 and the Valleywise Health Foundation,
you're going to the Eras tour, Isabella.
Swift and her team surprised Isabella with tickets to the Eras tour in Glendale Saturday night. A surprise Isabella will never forget.
Not only the fact that I'm able to go and I got these tickets gifted to me, but also that they are from Taylor Swift and her team, and they remembered me and thought of me to give me these tickets.
While she dances the night away, singing the songs that helped heal her, she's thankful for those who made it all possible as she fights to help others who are going through what she did.
Now that I'm out and I'm trying to do better things with it, and now I get to go see it in person, is just amazing.
In Phoenix, Eleni Dow, ABC15 Arizona.
Karen Apokuapna, she's an 8th grader from Marana Middle School. She outspelled 26 other competitors, and she's now going to represent Arizona in the Scripps National Spelling Bee starting May 30th. For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head on over to abc15.com or download the free ABC15 mobile app.
This ABC15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.